All right, guys, before we get started in today's video, make sure you smash that like button. If you have subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you at the end of the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. This is Bo at Morehead Homestead. What we got planned today, I don't know if you guys are familiar with these bad boys. Let me get a little closer. So I'm getting electric in my shop. You've seen that I was covering up the line the other day. We got power to the shop. Got the breaker panel right over here. But today I'm going to install all these so my electrician buddy can come this week while I'm at work, and he's going to wire this up for me. Hopefully I'll be around, someone is here, so I can help him out and learn a little bit. So yeah, I got to mount all these boxes, and then I got a couple of these big LED lights here for the front. They're going to be like my floodlights. I'm going to put one each way on the front of the shop here facing the approach where my little aluminum boat's always sitting at, because eventually that's going to be our basketball court for the kiddos. So I want to get that really lit up so when it's summertime like this and hot, we can wait till after dark and play, be a little cooler. So that's the plan. So I'm going to get to hammering these bad boys in. Come along, join me. So what the plan is to put the very top of this box here at 48 inches. This is going to be a couple light switches. It's going to control the lights I'm going to hang in here, and it's going to control the power boxes to the LED lights, because those particular LED lights are the plug-in type, so they just mount and plug in. So I have to set a box up there in the middle to come inside and plug in, and then a switch to control power to and from that, so that they're just not on all the time. I'm going to try this left-handed now. Don't make fun of me. Not too bad. All right, there's one down. I had to go left side on this one again, because that knot right there, I just bent that nail all up. That panel. Won't be long, guys. I know a few of you guys are really waiting on me to, I know a lot of you guys are really waiting on me to get started on this here truck. Won't be much longer. Once I get lights on in here, I'll be able to see what I'm doing. Definitely be some of my projects, so hang tight. See, it looks a lot better in here. Did some sweep and swept all this up. I had a big pile of hay here that Thor would always come in and lay under my boat, and he got where he'd pull all that straw out and got it all everywhere. So we got it all swept up. Got the whole shop swept up, really. Got this organized a little better over here. Got this crate here. And put our chairs and just miscellaneous stuff in. Got our tools swimming back up. Like I said, pretty much got everything done in the shop I'm going to do today. You can see I have a big void area in here. I pulled it outside. I'm gonna go hit it with a hose. It's getting pretty dusty sitting in here and just from mowing and stuff the last couple days when we got that mower back. So I'm gonna go wet her down and see if I can make her shine again. You want out? Well, their water was about empty, so I went ahead and topped it off. Not sure what old Lucy's carrying on about. Lucy! Weirdos. We're gonna check their water real quick. It looks like they got water, but I'm sure it's getting warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and top those off. Now that was refreshing. I needed that. All right guys, that's all we got on today's video. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'm Homestead Homestead. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. That helps us out so much. You guys don't even know how much it helps us out. So if you like this video, please smash that like button. Yeah, that's all I got, guys. Thank you for this video. God bless.